number 4 spot in the North at stake. And the loser will have to go through the play-in and both teams 20-8. Ryan Enriquez now with Prince Casin, guarded by Mike De Gregorio. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Casin, but nobody boxing out Romel Calahat as he scores the first 2 points of this ball game.
Tend to guys, around the rim to try and secure the rebound. But at that time, nasingitan siya doon ni Romel Calahat.
Catch and shoot free for Bulanadi is good.
Alain Bulanadi bring both of the starters para dito sa heat wave.
Cabo to Bulanadi, 8 seconds left on their shot clock. Mike De Gregorio puts up a free, short. Mike Mabulak with an offensive rebound and puts it back in for Pangasinan.
Mike Mabulak in his situations where he catches the ball inside the paint, very important that he starts converting those. In the previous games, medyo nag-struggle siya. Kahit na offensive rebound niya, hindi ma-convert.
And one of the best teams offensively going up against one of the elite teams on the defensive side in Caloocan as Mike De Gregorio hits a free. And it's now 8-5. The Heatwaves with a 3-point lead.
And if you're Mike De Gregorio, they're going to continue to give you that much space outside. And so you got to take those shots and make them. Pero schemes from Parañaque tweaked it a little bit para mag-fit dito sa sistema nito at personnel nitong Caloocan. See that drive right there by Mike De Gregorio. One of the times I got to talk.
Gabo matched up. Lawrence Victoria coming in, as well as Vic Manuel, who drives, turns it over. Ahead is Chris Bitoon, who will lay it in. Caloocan ties it up at 10 apiece.
Isa na yan sa mga piyesang matagal na inantay nito ni Coach Mike sa gigit. And just be up there in the number 4 spot.
Alam mo ba, ba't alam ko yan? Kasama ako dun eh. Mga kapitbahay ko yung mga yan.
Talaga?
Joshua Fontanilla hits the free. And also, actually a long 2. And a foul given up by the Caloocan back. Bitoon kicks it out. Palencia with 6 on the shot clock. No look pass to Real Cervantes, who launches a free. Can't get that one to fall. Cabanag with a rebound. Pasa kay Bitoon. Titikada sa 3. Yes!
You get an offensive rebound. You got to spray it out to Chris Bitoon making that 3.
Tabla ulit at 13 apiece. Manuel tries to answer and he does.
Ang dami natin mga bigs ngayon.
Fontanilla coming away with a steal. Joshua Fontanilla dumps it inside to Harvey Pagsanhan.
Presence of mind to generate ball on the floor situation para dito kay Josh Fontanilla, making that right read.
Real Cervantes with a mini.
Medyo yun. And I'm sure Coach Mike Sagigit would ask his boys to, ball and man movement muna as Joray Napoles sinks it from the outside. Shooting of the bigs of Pangasinan. Well, for him, he hasn't peaked yet for Pangasinan.
Muling si JP Paguliano nagpalik para dito sa Pangasinan during the trade and free agency window. Joey Barcuma puts it in. And a bonus free throw coming up after.
Kind of like how Coach Mike Sagigit was back when he was playing in his playing days.
5'6" pero parang 6'5" maglaro.
Oo, totoo.
To beat the buzzer, Gortiza backs it in!
That was intentional on King. Anong gusto mo kay King Gortiza, no? See that right there on that half court. Measured that shot. 2-foot takeoff, kissing off the glass.
Got it off. Ronnie Matias. We haven't seen the familiar backdoor plays of Caloocan, but Paul Sanga, that's something very familiar to us. That
Fontanilla got beat.
Calahat puts it up, puts it in from downtown. The lead is down to 2. Cut. Another 3-point attempt. Back-to-back threes from Romel Calahat.
Scoring from the paint, from outside, even at the free throw line.
Poor pass from Vic Manuel. Jeff Banday making them pay. The lead is up to 3, 29-26.
Now this is
to Jeff Banday crossing the timeline. Ronnie Matias. Oy! Meron pa bang tanon si Kuya Ronnie, no?
Samantalang itong Caloocan, yung scoring nanggaling sa 3 points, nanggaling sa free throws. And there you go.
First field goal of the quarter Hesed Gabo going straight.
And beat him to a spot. There's that lane.
Shot on its way, and it's good from Paul Sanga. Kumindat pa kay Congressman Oka malapitan.
No screener that can actually slip. The only one that can do that would be, in my opinion, itong si Alain Bolanadi, who's just fielded in here on the floor para dito sa heatwave.
Jumper off to the right, Maguliano to Gabo. Hesed Gabo, the Hesi. The pass back to JP Maguliano. Second consecutive basket for JP.
The baskets that
It's now with Chris Bitoon. Numbers here for Caloocan. Bitoon pulls up for free. Book it!
That exactly in the player matchup that we mentioned.
But fails to finish. Taktak mo dito si JP Maguliano. JP lays it in! JP Maguliano providing a spark here in the second quarter for Torres. Bitoon. Almost lost it. 8 seconds left on their shot clock. Kalahat puts it up and it goes in. Romel Kalahat with 12 points. Gains back the possession.
Watch out for Chris.
Oh, nice hesitation move. Sending up JJ Manlangit inside for 2 points.
Well, it's a manner of how he puts that ball. You're second guessing yourself whether he's making a pass or looking for a shot.
Backdoor, Pagsanhan with a reverse.
And a good thing that Harvey made that basket cut on that.
Caloocan comes away with another steal. Manlangit, derecho, lays it in. Back-to-back baskets from JJ Manlangit. Trade and free agency window struggling here. Vic Manuel, Lawrence Victoria, and Aline Bulanadi. To the rescue, Mike Mabulak, who scores inside, baba sa dalawa.
When they win, they score a lot. So right now, that's been the case.
Suwabing-suwabe yung galaw doon ni JJ Manlangit. The cross
Space and he's got to take it. Now Mike's got to go to work.
Mabulak, pinawi naman. Patiently operating on the post and makes that shot with it.
And the same way, ito namang Caloocan, they got to play with a lot of team offense, not settle for one-on-one.
Bad pass from Ronnie Matias. Joshua Fontanilla gets inside and scores in the paint.
And one guy I'm sure
Top.
got to find Mike.
Skip pass, Vic Manuel. Left corner triple will not drop in. Lawrence Victoria. Nice effort to grab the offensive rebound.
Effort. They are showing a lot of effort. They're starting on the defensive end of the floor and now they're running.
Chance to take the lead in this possession. Vic Manuel, sidestep beauty from the muscle man.
Well, this has been a
Kicks it out. Jeff Banday takes the free. Off target. Babalik kay Banday. Cabanag is free. His triple is good.
tell you what, Ken, that is the clean tough.
Victoria. Pinasa palabas kay Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel will drive, gets the friendly roll. We are tied 53 apiece. Gotten this Rosales crowd into a frenzy.
These Heatwave 5 are gassed.
Ronnie Matias in the third quarter.
Caloocan can't foul there in penalty.
Fontanilla to the Gregorio, left corner, free! They lead by one. Langit with a rebound. He's joined by Chris Bitoon, Prince Kasin, Paul Sanga, and JJ Manlangit. Prince Kasin finally gets himself on the board with...
I feel this is a highly offensive 5 here for the Heatwaves. Another one incoming.
Back-to-back freeze from Prince Kasin.
Wow.
Season. He's very excited. He's very grateful to the veterans for accepting him. In his words, kahit halos kaedad ko lang sila, pinapakitaan nila ako ng respeto dito, ano?
Okan was in contending here in the North. And si Sid binanggit yan sa akin kasi siya pumasok doon sa dugout eh. And she was able to observe how tight-knit this Caloocan squad was at that time. And that continued ni JP Maguliano.
They got numbers.
Bulanadi will put it on the deck. He drives, he scores, plus a foul.
What you like about this game is the energy of both these teams. Coaches, malamang nanonood ngayon.
At the post, Maguliano. The flip shot is gone and he extends the lead to 3, 66-63.
Silent.
Past the halfway point of the fourth period. Cabanag off the dribble. Slides in, lays it up and in. What an attack from Jeromer Cabanag.
Well, very simple.
Maguliano.
Good help by Real Cervantes though on Kalahat.
Cervantes off the dribble, puts it in, and a bonus free throw coming up.
Not putting enough pressure for them. So that's going to be another man that the Heat Waves are going to guard against. Oh, making the most out of the situation and a 4 personal foul situation for Mike.
Cervantes, 10th lead change of the game. Caloocan with a 1-point lead. Maguliano free for a free. It's good!
How big was that three, Ken? Gotta help out on Mike Mabula. They're gonna try and exploit him.
Chris Pitojon goes inside the paint and ties it up at 71 apiece.
Chris Pitojon gonna work right now. Exactly what high-low action involving both those big men.
5 seconds left on the shot clock. Caloocan having trouble. Oh, it's a foul against Hesed Gabo.
That was indeed a foul.
And they are in penalty. Calmly sinks the first free throw.
At makakaswing yung momentum sa kabila.
2 big free throws. Bulanadi, now it's with Mabulak. Chance here for Pangasinan. Bulanadi for the lead. Short! Ball batted around. Bonnie's on the floor. And it's a jump ball. And if it is, possession arrow pointing to Caloocan. Gabo on an island. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Panday makes his move. He drives. He puts it up. He puts it in! Jeff Panday scoring the last 4 points for the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu.
Enough time. Should they decide to foul immediately?
JP Maguliano, he takes the free and makes it! Lead is down to 1. Pangasinan is still alive.
For Caloocan.
Second free throw. Bounces out. Nobody grabbing no defensive rebound though for the Pangasinan Heat Waves.
Wow, nobody got to that miss.
Makes good on the first.
Coaches would want to miss this, then foul.
He hits both. 3-point lead, 4.2 seconds left. Bulanadi has to run the length of the floor. A good look, Bulanadi for free. And it's short. Caloocan survives in Rosales. And a gutsy win for the Batang Kangkalu. Our final score, 77-74. Caloocan prevailing over Pangasinan. They are the ones moving ahead to the playoffs to face the 2-time defending champions, Pampanga Giant Lanterns.